Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into your Hago account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. I have already installed Hago app on my phone. You can also do the same through your App Store or Play Store and then tap on it. Onto the very first section of the Hago account, I do have an option of logging in with Facebook, with Google, or simply with my phone number. I'm going to tap on this phone icon next to Google. You can also do the same. Insert your phone number and then keep your password connected to it. When you're done, tap on login below. You will get this code. Since you have already got a verification code, you can insert it just like this and then tap on login below. When you're done, you can see that you're already logged in and onto the first home page of your Hago account. And to make sure, you can tap on this new option in the bottom right. This is my particular profile, I'm sure. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. For more videos related to Hago, you can go and check in our channel. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.